Hi guys, this is Damien. So today we came to our favorite spot. There we have so many nice, beautiful rides. Follow me, I'm gonna show you everything.
Doing your thing though, yeah. I'm gonna lie, she's doing your thing. Yeah, production.
Yep.
Yeah, man. Yeah, fine. At the end I guess it's set, man.
But as you see, there ain't no disco. But that's the one that's the front one, isn't it?
I think your left rear wheel is crooked a little bit.
Yeah, it's the top arm seems more screwed in one side.
Oh, right.
But never noticed that before.
Ready, steady, go! go?
Thank you.
It's okay. Dada!
The cat too.
Yeah, that's the stickers.
Yeah, that's his production, innit?
That's the stickers.
Yeah, you can put them anywhere you want.
Save them so we just stick them in your car.
But not with me. Mate, you might need to adjust the camber on that one. It snapped the actual arm. Yeah, of course. No, that's good. That's the cheap bit I've got then. Go get the elk on again.
Did you record it? Yes. Holy shit.
That's the hard. They're the hard arms.
This is the hardest
No, well maybe they're too hard.
Holy. Wow. But that's good, I record everything. Woohoo! Ricky boy! When Ricky is driving, it's better to stay back. Whoa! Whoa! Holy! Did you saw that? Oh. Holy moly! You hit it really good. Wheelie bar is off.
Wheelie bar is off.
My camera is still on.
Your camera is still on.
and it's still recording.
Still active, look. Nah.
Something's off. Let's bring it back. Let's bring it back.
The fuel has come out. Fuel has leaked slightly. You see? That's why I put that there.
Oh yeah.
That's the impact bracket. So that took all the...
This thing saved it.
Saved it, yeah.
Yeah, the springs.
Yes.
Because he landed straight on the nose.
And bent everything in the front here.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why I engineered that. Anyway, it's a 5-minute job.
Holy moly. You hit that ramp like, I don't know how fast you were going. But it's gonna be on the second GoPro. Holy. Did you do it on purpose?
No, I didn't see it there. I was thinking of coming this way and turning it that way,
Yeah.
right towards the cone, but the ramp came in the way.
Yeah. But he went flying like at least like 16 feet above
up,
the ground.
yeah. And it did flip, didn't it?
Yeah, he did. Beautiful pirouette. All right.
Yeah, that's it. No, but the bumper actually saved my front end.
Oh, yes, because
That's
you
what-
landed like straight down.
Yeah. Super duper.
No problems at all.
Let's get the thing done.
That's it. That's his fucking.
It's only
that's
the
that front
wheelie
bumper,
bar.
that's what that is.
Wheelie bar is.
Yeah, he just broke the foot. Look at that bent as well.
Yeah.
Bent the rod.
We're gonna open that.
No, just
it.
replace them. Just
And
replace the
then
rod
send
ends.
it, yeah.
Just replace the rod ends, and then you're laughing.
Yep.
That bent in, that's it. No,
Why is it not starting?
no, I think it's flooded.
Right, no, you're gonna need to give it a little bit of throttle, a fraction of a bit of throttle.
It will start.
Just a fraction of throttle, a little bit of throttle.
Oh, the wheelie bar thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That don't sound right.
No, if you Whoa! Whoa!
And,
So now everything's perfect.
yeah, and all I did is just kept high on stock setting
Yeah,
and tuned low level, low needle a little low.
yeah. Oh, you see? Yeah, it's professional.
Yeah, but it was all due to Dcrr,
Yeah.
Mr. Damien, who helped me
true.
in the start. I didn't even know how to start the engine for that matter.
Well, rookie, you know.
Rookie, complete rookie.
Show me again the backpack. Ah! That is so cool. Yes. I love it. You're gonna be on TV later, okay?
I'm gonna show you, okay?
All right. See ya.
Take care.